Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Tyler here. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install MAMP on MacBook, or mostly any other operating system, but this is mainly for Mac. And how to get, your server started, how to access your MySQL database, and how to just, load a basic PHP page. What we're going to do is we're going to install MAMP. So to do that, we're going to type it on Google MAMP, and it will be the first thing that pops up. And what MAMP basically allows you to do is it allows you to just run a local server, on your computer. So yeah, we're gonna go to free download, and then we're gonna download MAMP and MAMP Pro version 5.5. It may be a later version for you. For me, it's gonna be 5.5. So I'm gonna start the install. It's about 374 megabytes, so that'll go pretty quick. And once this is installed, I'll run you through the installer real quick. So I'm going to cut to that. Okay, let me drag this over here. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. So now we're just going to go through the installer. We're going to hit continue, also continue, read the agreements, continue, agree. You know how it is. It's 1.4 gigabytes, so it's not really that big. It's going to ask for administrator privileges, so we're going to give it to him. And then it's just going to install. It's actually a pretty quick install, so if I have to, I'll skip to the end of this, and I'll see you there. Okay, so I just got the notification saying that it was successfully installed. So now we're going to move the install to the trash, and we're going to open up MAMP. So when we get to this page, this is how you'll start your server. What I recommend first, though, is going to your preferences in MAMP, and making sure that under ports, so these are the default port selections, 8888. We're going to set web and MySQL ports to 80 and 3306. The reason we're going to do this is it's going to make our browser by default is going to automatically go to these ports. So basically when we type in localhost, we won't have to add 8888 to the end. So it just makes it a lot easier. And once you have that set up, you should just be able to hit Start Servers. And it might take a few seconds to load, and it will ask for a password, so just enter your password for your user. And then I got the MySQL server, and once this loads, it'll always load the Open Start page, and there it is. So here's the page. Now that you have your MAMP all set up and ready to go, here you can see your port, your username, password, socket, and host, which are all needed to connect to your MySQL server through PHP Code. And it also shows some helpful code examples on how to do that, connect to your MySQL server through PHP, Python, and Perl. And once you get to that point, you may want to actually start writing some code and running it. And to run PHP Code, you have to have all of the files that you want to run in a specific folder. And to access that folder and run your code, go to Applications on your computer, and you're going to look for the MAMP folder. Here, you'll find a folder inside called htdocs. And this htdocs folder is where all of your project files are going to go. You can put multiple projects in here. So I'm going to create a project called tutorials. And in here is every single project related to the tutorial series on my YouTube channel. So in this tutorials folder, inside htdocs, I'm going to create a hello.php file. Hello.php. And in here, we're just going to simply just echo out hello world. The good old hello world statement. And we're just going to, type out something really basic just to show you how you can actually view your PHP pages. Obviously, you're not going to be doing it just for this, but this is just going to show you how to test your code and run your code and all of that. So here we have hello world on our hello.php page. And to view this page and this folder, we're going to go to localhost, and it'll do index of /. Now /, remember, this is the htdocs folder, really, but it's /. It's the root of htdocs. So here we have our tutorials folder, and here we have hello.php. And the second I open this file, it's going to spit out hello world. And here you see hello world. So right now we have successfully ran our PHP page and got it to display hello world. Obviously, we don't have to have it just display hello world. We can have it say hello world, this is a test. And you just refresh and it'll display hello world, this is a test.